Hello and welcome to another insightful guide. Today we're tackling a common issue you might face with your home entertainment system. How to fix Samsung Soundbar center speakers not working. The Samsung Soundbar is a popular choice for enhancing your audio experience, but when the center speakers stop working, it can disrupt your immersive listening environment. Don't worry though, because we've got a step-by-step guide to help you resolve this issue efficiently and get back to enjoying your favorite movies and music. Step 1. Check the connections. Before diving into complex solutions, start by inspecting all the connections. Ensure that your soundbar is properly connected to your TV or audio source. Check both ends of the HDMI, optical, or auxiliary cables, making sure they're securely plugged in. Sometimes simple reconnections can resolve the problem. If your soundbar is wireless, verify that Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is functioning correctly and that your devices are paired and connected. Step 2. Inspect the audio settings. Once the physical connections are checked, it's time to delve into the audio settings. Access your TV or soundbar menu and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that the sound output is directed to the soundbar rather than the TV speakers. Look for settings such as center channel volume or balance and adjust them if necessary. You may also find a sound mode setting that needs to be set to surround sound or a similar option that optimizes center speaker performance. Step 3. Update the soundbar firmware. Outdated firmware can cause functionality issues with the soundbar. To rectify this, check if there's a firmware update available. Visit the Samsung support website and enter your soundbar model number to find any recent updates. Follow the instructions to download and install the firmware update. A simple update might fix any software bugs causing the center speakers to malfunction. Step 4. Perform a sound test. Many Samsung soundbars include a built-in sound test feature to help identify audio issues. Refer to your soundbar's user manual to perform an internal sound test. This test will output audio through various speakers, allowing you to determine if the center speakers are functioning correctly. If the test reveals an issue with the center speakers, it might be time to consider hardware troubleshooting or professional repair. Step 5. Reset your soundbar. If all else fails, try performing a factory reset on the soundbar. A reset will restore the soundbar to its original settings, eliminating any errors introduced by previous settings, changes, or updates. To reset the soundbar, press and hold the power button or follow the instructions outlined in the user manual. Be aware that this will erase all custom settings, so you'll need to set up your soundbar again from scratch. Fixing Samsung soundbar center speakers not working can enhance your home audio experience significantly. Whether it's checking connections, adjusting audio settings, updating firmware, performing sound tests, or resetting the soundbar, these steps offer a comprehensive approach to solving the issue. Remember, if the problem persists after trying all these solutions, consulting a professional technician or Samsung support may be your best bet. Enjoy your rejuvenated sound experience and let your favorite tunes and movies come alive once more.